Ride a motorcycle.
Ride a motorcycle or drive a motorcycle?
Drive a motorcycle.
Really?
Oh, I forgot something.
Yeah, we need to make sure we have safety equipment on here in a second.
I have to have a rubber band so I can do my hair.
To put on a helmet.
So if it starts to tip, you just got to know, kind of feel it. All right. So right here, right here, if you put this foot up here, and if you put that right there, that's your brake. Okay, that'll get you to stop.
Okay, can I use this one? Oh, this is also a breaker.
I would.
It is, but
This is a more like if you want to stop faster, that one works better. Just stop
this is
faster.
the front. But if you
You okay? And that's why you can't freak out. You try and you have to let go of the throttle. It's hard, I know, to think about. How was your first experience?
A little wonky.
Wonky? A little scary at first?
Yep, my legs hurt over here, my bone.
do you want to try it again?
Alright.
Oh, she's gonna go for it.
We'll be right here. She'll like to see this when she's older. You're right there. Not too, a little, yeah. You have to be a little bit. Yeah, a little bit more, girl. That's good. Remember, you can always let go. Yeah, like a bike, but you need to keep that momentum just a little bit.
Okay. Now let's see if you can. I'll try to steady it, and I'm gonna let you just work throttle now, okay? Just remember you can oh, you want me to do it? Okay, I'll do it. You ready? You can keep your hand there just so you can feel how much I'm doing it. Here we go. Good job!
And don't forget to subscribe the button like a water balloon. Splash!
Hey, you ready? Here we go. You excited? Here we go.
Give us some muscles.
Flex those muscles.
Hold down on that. Go ahead, you can do it.
Whoa.
Okay. And over here, a brake, that helps you to slow down. Yep, you just push down on it like that. All right. Okay.
We're moving now. We're turning so you don't. Just a little bit. Good.
You want to do it again? Okay, here we go. We're going to keep going. Oh, good job. Yeah. Good job.
Hey, how was that riding the bicycle, the motorbike for the first time?
Good. That was awesome.
You want to do it again?
Yeah, I really want to. I really.
Did ask your grandpa.
I crashed. I crashed in there.
Did ask your grandpa.
Yeah, my grandpa said no. But when I grow up, I can do it.